Hello planner buddies and welcome to a new video. So this is one of the first videos about the 2022 Blooming Life Planner. The Blooming Life Planner is the first planner of a whole collection, the Blooming collection for the coming year, so for 2022. And the collection will have a lot of different planners, like a business planner, a student planner, a phone planner, and undated planners that will come during the next year. So the Blooming Life Planner is the first one of the whole collection. In this video, I want to explain you a little bit about how to use the planner, what are the special things about this planner, and how is the structure. And yeah, so this is a quick how to use the planner, just a small introduction into that beauty. So let's open the planner folder. So after you purchase, you will get multiple folders with different files, and the most important file is the Blooming Life Planner file. And after downloading it, you can just open it and go to the arrows in the top right corner here, and then you can open it with your preferred PDF annotation app. So my favorite is GoodNotes, so I will open it with GoodNotes. And then GoodNotes is asking me where I want to import it, to the current document or as a new one. And I will choose as a new document. Then I can choose a location. I will say the documents now, and then I'm going to import it. So this can take a small while because the planner is huge. And after importing it, you have access to your file. So this is the Blooming Life Planner, and this is one of 3 covers that you can use. I will show you the other covers a little bit later. So you can now just open it by clicking on the cover. Before you can use hyperlinks with GoodNotes, you have to make sure that you turn off the edit mode. So when you turn this on, you can see that you have your toolbar here, and by clicking on the small button here, you will turn off the edit mode, and then you have your planner. So by just one click, you have it in full mode, and now you can just click on the cover to get to the first page. So this is the first page. You can write down your name here, and then you can just swipe, or you click on the one of the 6 wings to get to the dashboard. But first things first, you have an instruction page right here. It explains you how you can use hyperlinks with GoodNotes. You also have a tutorial about the dynamic tab. I will tell you later about this. And you also have some instructions on how to duplicate pages in GoodNotes. You have a lot of different links here about tutorials. By clicking on one page, you will get to the single tutorial. So just clicking on here, I'd say yes, and now you can see that you get to the page for my website. On the right side, you also have the Blooming Life. So the Blooming collection will get or has their own website, and you can just click on the flower to get to it, or you can click on the button to get to the Blooming Library. The Blooming Library is an exclusive freebie collection for 2022 for all Blooming products. So with a purchase of one Blooming product, for example the Life Planner, you will have access for the whole year for special freebies which are coming in the year in 2022. You also have hex color codes, social media, my social media to connect with me, and a small thank you message. So when you want to navigate to the dashboard, you have to click on the top 3 wings or on the bottom 3 wings. The first 3 wings will lead you to the first dashboard, and the last one will lead you to the second dashboard. Every single link on the dashboard is clickable, so by just clicking on one thing, you will get to a specific page. And you also have some hidden hyperlinks, for example, the small flower here. By clicking on this, you will get back to the first page. You will get a hyperlink sheet which tells you about more hyperlinks. So you can open it with your file, and you can see here that you have the different pages, the links, and the goal page. So it will show you. So for example, the monthly finances has a small link box on the left corner, or also small flowers, and then it says you where to go, or which is the goal of this link. So I will show you that you know what I mean. The first hidden hyperlink is a small flower here. But for example, going to finances, you have the monthly finances, and then you have the page and these small flowers here. And when I click on the first flower, I will come to the January finances. So yeah. So you also have hex color codes, and they are very easy to install. So you just have to click on the color, to press on it, and then you can copy it. You can go to the pencil tool, click on edit, click on the plus here, then you double tap it, paste, and then you have the color. And now you just have to click the plus, then you have your pencil color, and now you can, oh wait, that was the wrong one. Here, you can just see it's the same color. The second way to add hex color codes is even more easy. You can just go with your pencil here on this, swipe to the middle of the tablet, then you go to your colors, and you have a small color picker here, and then you can choose all single colors that you would like to add. This is a very cool way if you want to have more color codes, except the 6 or except this one. So you can see your color code here, and then you just copy it again, delete the screenshot, go back to your pencil, click edit. So go to a new plus and paste, and now you have a different color code here. Okay, so the planner has a lot of templates. All templates or categories are also clickable on these tabs here. So you have six main categories and also some smaller categories on the bottom, and all tabs on the top left, the left side, the bottom, and the right side are static, so they are always clickable on every single page. When you click on one category, you will get to another dashboard, and this dashboard shows you also all single templates inside the planner. So for example, you have yearly finances here, and you have monthly finances, long-term goals, and from the goals section, or reflection, you have a daily reflection, and so on. The planner has a dynamic tab. So in general, you have a number tab here from 1 to 5, and this is for your 5 notebook. When you enter to a specific category like finances, you can see that the tab has changed to other templates inside the category. So you will always see the most important templates here. So for example, in organizer, you have a lot of different templates, and they are not all inside this bar. So this is only for the most important template of the planner when you use something special. So for example, when I visit the birthday calendar here, I will think about, I need to know my contacts, for example, or I have gift ideas, and then I can just go to the gift ideas. So it's a little bit more kind of intelligent tab bar. I will tell you more about this tab bar and how to use it in a separate video. So now I just want to show you the structure. So the planner has a chronological order, so you can just swipe and you will get to each page. It also has an index here, so when you click on the 4 squares and go to outline, you can see that all pages are here inside. So if you don't want to use hyperlinks, or if you want to see the structure of the planner, you can go there and can check out all the single contents of this planner. And you can also jump from one page to another with this outline section. So for example, I want to go for productivity and the productivity session, and now I'm just here on it. So the planner will start with the planning section, and it will start with 2021, so with December, and every planner has the same order. So you have first your monthly goal, so this is for the December 2021. Then you have your goals here, a little bit structured. And when you swipe, you can come to the overview. You will also always come to the overview by clicking on overview on the top bar. Then you have your monthly dates. And these tabs on the left will always lead you to the monthly dates. So you can see by clicking on this, you will always come to monthly dates. And you can come back to the overview by clicking on this. So in general, every single page is clickable within a category with these kind of tabs. So back to the monthly structure. So you have your monthly overview and your dates, and then you have your weekly start. So this is the weekly overview. It also has some hidden hyperlinks here, but you can check out this for the hyperlink cheat sheet. You have the monthly overview with priorities, goals. You have your personal and work to do, and you can write down all your appointments here. And you also get to the single dates by clicking on the numbers here. So everything is clickable. So when you want to get back to the week, you have to click on the small flower here, and then you are back to your weekly overview. You can also jump from the week to a single date, for example, the 10th December. I'm just clicking on this, and then I have my other weekly page. Okay, so now I want to tell you more about the hyperlinks or the clicking one. So you have your weekly overviews here, and by clicking on one single week, you will come to the weekly overview, and you also come to a single date by clicking on the monthly date. You can jump from one day to another day in this tab here. For example, I want to visit the 3rd January, and then I can see the 3rd January. When you jump or when you want to go to a specific week, you can just click on the small flower, and you will get back to the weekly overview. Every single month has a Sunday reflection, or every single day, or every Sunday. You have your Sunday planning page on one page, and on the other one you have a reflection with 6 categories. If you want to reflect even more, then you can just swipe and see there's also a weekly reflection with a lot of questions that you can reflect on. You also have this kind of weekly reflection on your month. So I'm going to the last day of the month, and you can see you have a January reflection here. And when you want to see other reflections, you also can just jump to the single dates here. You also have the possibility to use the small flower here. You can see it's the 6th February. So I'm going to click on the flower, and you can see there's 6 questions from 1 question a day. And this is, the 1 question a day is the part of the planner where you can answer a single question every single day. And it has 31 questions. When you want to get back to your daily planning page, so for example the 31 January, you click on that, and then you will come back to your January page. So you can see the planner has a lot of different hyperlinks. You can jump from one page to another, and the best recommendation that I can tell you is really just to try everything out, to click, to check the hyperlink cheat sheet, and just to check out everything what you can do with the planner. And you can also watch tutorials from my Instagram. I will upload a lot of new tutorials there, and I also want to work on a planner guide or in a planner blooming planner guide, so that you can also check out this on my website. You will get to this kind of planner guide by clicking on the flower from the Blooming website, and I will work on the next year about on the planner guide to add even more tutorials every single time. So now I want to show you the other covers here. So you have 3 cover versions on your planner or with the purchase. The first cover version is this one that you already see on your planner. So it's this one. This one is the first cover. And you also have a cover version number 2. This is with less flowers, a little bit more minimalistic. And the third one is this one. So with a little bit corner flowers here. Let's get back to the category. So you have 6 categories. You have finances, you have goal, reflection, productivity, an organizer, and household. And then you have 6 small sections too. So you have social media, relax or free time lifestyle. You have a vacation planner. You have health section, trackers, and manifestation. And you can click on each page here to check out them. I highly recommend you to watch the swipe through because this shows you all single pages. Yes. So that was a kind of quick tutorial about how you use the planner. I recommend you to use all the files that you get. So use the hyperlink cheat sheet. Check out my website for tutorial. Check out my social media for even more tutorial. And if you have any questions, you can just ask me. I hope that the kind of tutorials and instructions already helped you to find out more about the planner. And if you have any questions, just reach me out. Thank you. Bye.